One day, Miss Kathleen asked the children to visit K2landia. In K2landia, everyone was working. There are firefighters, doctors, soldiers, magicians, and even grab car drivers.
And there was a grab car driver and a passenger. And then they saw a policeman. Green light. Okay. What do you want to buy? Okay. Then suddenly, they heard a fire truck coming your way. Find your way. Okay. And then, the passenger and the grab car driver find their way home to K2 town. Thank you. One time, there was a grab driver and a passenger. Beep, 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 beep. And then suddenly they saw a policeman. Stop. You say red light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. Green light. Stop. Okay.
Billy.
Okay, and then suddenly they saw the fire truck is coming for an emergency. Teto. Find your way. Okay, and then the grab car driver and the passenger will go to K2 town.